Hi everyone, I'm Marley and I'm a marketing manager here at Leap for LeapPay, and I'm so excited to show you how easy it is to use LeapPay and Leap CRM. And best of all, it's included for free in your Leap CRM subscription. So I'm on a sample customer here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click into customers. Once you are on the customer page, you're going to click into whatever customer you want to use. So I'm going to go into sample customer here. You then want to go into the financials tab on the left-hand column. Here you can see your overall job price, what's been paid, the amount that's owed, and to run a LeapPay transaction, you're going to click the little plus icon here next to payments. So there's a few different options here. So you can allow them to pay now. So maybe you're at the kitchen table, ready to close the deal, ready to get paid. Maybe they're going to take an initial deposit. You can put in an amount and that will deduct from the overall job price. So it's really easy to track. You also can link it to an invoice. So maybe they're paying the full $12,000 that's owed. They can pay that, or maybe they want to pay at a later date. Maybe they're paying in stages as the project progresses. So you can also schedule a payment for a later date. You can also choose to accept either debit and credit card or ACH. You can change this at the admin level settings. So maybe you want to choose and get paid either or, paid using both. It's really customizable, which is awesome. So that's great for when you're in person closing the deal at the kitchen table. Maybe you want to send a payment request remotely over email. You just click this little eye icon here next to the total job price. And here you can see different invoices. So they've already paid 2 invoices. They have $12,000 outstanding. Next to quick actions here and the little gear icon, you can email them the invoice. So you can type in a message, "Hi, please see attached for invoice." Enter in what their email is and click send. So they will get an email that looks like this. "Hi, please see attached for the invoice." When they open it up, they'll see what it's for, how much it is, and they can click pay invoice right here. They can either pay the full invoice balance, which in this case is $12,000, or a custom amount again if they're just choosing a deposit. They put in the amount and can either pay using debit or credit or from their bank account. You will get an email that confirms that they just paid, and they will also get a confirmation email here too with their details. Another great feature that Leap CRM customers love is the homeowner portal. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. You click job overview and click this little plus add button, share customer webpage. You can view the webpage here, or you can also email it to the customer. And this is what the customer webpage looks like. So it's super easy. They can see their total job price, their outstanding balance, and they can view and pay invoices straight from here. So maybe they're paying this invoice, the remaining, and they can pay with LeapPay and do the exact same thing that we just emailed to them. So it's just another cool touch point to sort of see, what's outstanding at any time, their different contacts, your information. So it's super easy for the customer. Next, we're going to show you some of the reporting you can do on LeapPay. So under reports, you click into payments report, and here you can see all the different payments. So we only have 2 in this case, just the test transactions that I ran, but it's great because you can see it by customer, the amount paid, the payment date, and it also links to a job, which is awesome. Next, you can also go into your settings and see your payout history. So this is an admin tool. So if you go into settings, pay, you can see your balance getting ready to be paid out to your bank account, your all-time payouts, and you can also view your payout history. So these are all the deposits that have hit your bank account, and you can break it down by payment date, the job ID, the customer, so it's super easy for tracking. This is what I was talking about where you can choose your payment method. So maybe you want to accept both debit, credit, ACH, maybe either or. Another great feature is LeapPay now allows you to pass on the fees to homeowners. So there are payment processing fees with any payment processor you're going to use, but instead of absorbing those costs, you can increase your bottom line by actually passing those fees on to the customer. You can easily just toggle it off here if you want to absorb those costs. Then you can also add users for your notification settings. So maybe you want sales reps to receive different notifications from payment, payout, account, scheduled payments. Maybe you don't, so you can customize email notifications depending on people. So that is LeapPay in Leap CRM. We're super excited for you to start using this. It's included for free in your subscription. If you have any questions, you can email our inbox. It's fintech@leapdigital.com, and we'll be happy to get back to you at any time. You can book a demo. We can answer any questions. We can help you onboard. Thanks so much for watching the tutorial.